Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò. Èmi náà ni olóòtú yín tó bí Kareem. Today, I'm going to be talking about comments. Comments are an important aspect that we use in programming. It is a way to explain your Python code and also to make the code more readable. So that tí anybody bá fẹ́ wo code wa àwọn nǹkan tá a ti kọ tó fẹ́ mọ nǹkan tí code wa ń ṣe àbí tí a bá fẹ́ explain a máa lo comment yẹn láti jẹ́ kán mọ̀. I'll show you how comment is being done. Let's flip to the IDE. When I open my IDE, I'm approached with this welcome screen. So I cancel it. Then I want to go to the folder we created and the one we have been working with. I go to my file and do open folder. You go to the location where you created the folder and you open it. After the Visual Studio Code reloads, we see these things. The last file we created is still here because it's inside that folder. So I'm going to create another file. And there are two ways I could create files. I can come here and click the file or come to this place and do new file. But I prefer doing the file here. Then let's name it comment.py. Never forget the extension. Never forget. In our last class, we printed print hello world, okay? And this program was executed. So comment is just a way to give a documentation so that I can come here, model the call. I am printing hello world. When I execute this program, the compiler or whatever is running the program would ignore this line because it has this symbol. And do not forget, this symbol is Shift+3. Shift 3 on your keyboard. So there are two ways you can run this program. Like we said, you can go to the view, then at the Malosi terminal. Tabatilo terminal, we can type Python, the name of the file, bash save it, comment.py. When I do this, then I see what I have executed, hello world. So this is not going to be executed because it is a comment. I can go ahead and do another print statement where I print this is another Python program. Okay, then moliwasi b can fi comment and say Shift 3. I am outputting another Python. Okay, now I can come here, upper right corner, and press this green thing. So what you see on your terminal is the hello world, and this is another Python program because the compiler or whatever is executing this only prints line 2 and line 5. It's going to ignore line 1 and line 4 because they are comment. There's also, we can now use something else called multi-line comment. So that way we do these 3 quotes, single quotes, we do it 3 times. I can do this is a comment across multiple lines. Then I can come here and print wahoo. So when you want to print, you open your parentheses like this, bracket, then you put in the quote. Whatever you want to print, you put in the quote. I can do wahoo. I just made a comment with multiple lines. Then I go ahead, I clear this, then I do my code. Python, the name of the file, comments.py. When I run this, I see whatever I typed in this place. Another way to run it is to go to the upper right corner and click this thing, this play thing. So when you're printing, you want to make sure that you write your print, you open a bracket, and next to it is the code. So you're literally doing what you want to print out to the console, you're putting it in a quote. And this line 1 and line 2 would not execute because we get multi-line comment. If I do this, this is a single line comment. So program here going to print it line 1, line 2, and line 4 because they are documentations. So I'm going to run it from the upper right corner. Let me see. So I still have my executable. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Ó dàbọ̀.